As estimators build new bids, seeing production rates their company's crews actually achieved on the same type of work is an obvious advantage. But getting that data has typically been a labor-intensive, multi-step challenge. Now, with an API linked to B2W Track, estimators can review current and historical production rates quickly and easily, without even leaving the B2W Estimate application. Estimators working on a new bid simply select an individual crew within any task or item to review production rates of that crew. Selecting View Production History uses the API in operations to pull and display production rate actuals captured by B2W Track electronic field logs. Filtering options let estimators zero in on the most relevant or comparable work. The search will assume the cost code of the crew or of the item or task the crew is in, but estimators can filter by any tracking ID or account ID, add a date range, or choose which data to include according to job status. A search will then populate the screen with the data selected, again without leaving B2W Estimate. In this example, the actual production rates for excavation are displayed across 6 jobs. Hyperlinks make it simple to review more detailed information on a specific job right from this production rate actuals area. To use this data, simply check the jobs to include. Now, the summary area shows the average actual production rate from the selected current and historical jobs, right next to the current rate being used in the bid, for an easy side-by-side comparison. The total projected crew days it would take to do that work based on the actuals is also visible. An estimator can update production rate and crew days here and apply it to the current estimate, or go back into the estimate and make changes there based on what they've learned from the production rate actuals data. When rates are adjusted, a note is generated to document it. This gives any estimator working on the project in the future a snapshot of the actual production data that supported the change. API connectivity providing data to B2W Estimate from B2W Track makes it that simple to access and sort vital production rate actual data. View it in an easy format within B2W Estimate and use it to improve bid accuracy.